Today is a new day. I sit comfortably and close my eyes and just breathe. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. I allow myself to surrender to the present. I allow myself to let go of any resistance, accepting everything as it is. I spend these moments in the state of acceptance, feeling peace and tranquility. I am free. I allow forgiveness to release, to fill my heart of any burdens that I am carrying. I forgive myself and others. Breathe. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. I am worthy. I allow myself to focus on today. I allow this light to fill my entire space, representing my inner peace. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Today is a new day. I allow myself to just